everybody? It is Yellowfin, and we are now, as you can see out here, back at Naples Cars and Coffee. We actually got a mic this time as well. Last time we were here, audio quality sucked, but now we'll be much better. It's yellow day, as you can see, yellow cars all around behind us. Got a Aventador right over there too. We'll go check out in just a sec. So yeah, lots of good stuff out here. Let's get to recording. And there we go. There is the Aventador swinging on around right here, rolling on out. That is a pretty nice spec, but that little bit of black makes it look sort of like an SVJ. Well, it isn't an SVJ. It's rolling on by now, right over there too. Pretty damn good looking car, that's for sure. Now let's check out all this yellow stuff going on. Ariel Atom right here. That is pretty sweet. It's been a minute. Have we actually seen one of these on the channel? If we have, it's been a hot minute since we've seen one of these. These are just absolutely ridiculous, way freaking nothing. It's a supercharged one too, so I think these are like in the 3-second 0 to 60 range as well. I think we should just swing on over to the lawn right now though and see what they have. All right, over to the grass now. Let's see what we're working with. Starting off with a Lamborghini Huracan STO right there. Pretty solid green spec with the black rims. Damn, check that out. That's crazy. Right on the floor, pretty close. Air suspension, VIP as well. Check that interior. Dang, that's wicked right there. Slam 7 Series, right? Yeah. And we got the Ferrari F8 right on behind it as well. Got Huracan Evo and the Gallardo. We saw both those last time we were here last month. And then we got this thing, 4-seater, little dune buggy. Get the whole gang riding that thing. And a Pontiac Tempest. I don't think I've seen one of these before. Maybe I haven't realized it. Damn, with the swap too, LS3 and the Tempest. And we got the big old Rolly too. I actually saw one of these back in Sarasota. Couldn't get a clip of it. Drove right on by me. It was a white one, same as this black one right here, Silver Cloud. So totally saw one yesterday as well, driving right down by Main Street. Missed it though, but here we go. Good to see one right here and get one on camera with this black spec. And then we got a nice blue Huracan right here next to another C7 Corvette Z06. Very nice. That's actually a really nice color on that Huracan. Got a purple Huracan and a Revuelto on next to it. That is pretty sweet. We'll go get you a look at the front of that one. And there you go. There's a look at the front of this Revuelto. This is a new one for the channel. Haven't seen this spec yet. It's got the red accents, carbon fiber all around the top. It's got the blue as well. Bronze rims. This is definitely an all-around spec. It's got everything going on. And it for sure works. Good one. Add another Revuelto to check off the list. Nice white MC20 as well. Definitely one of the best colors for the MC20s. And got another Huracan with the drop top right there. Plus 718 Spider RS. Those are always pretty sweet to see with the Shelby Mustang on next to it. Now made it on over to the area with the large majority of trucks and Broncos and such, but starting it off with this blue interior Mclaren, white exterior. We see this one round, I'm pretty sure every time we're out here. Definitely a very clean one though. Swinging on around, getting you the full 360 of this thing. Bang, I didn't mean to even press 0.5, but that works too, how convenient. White Cybertruck, F-150s, a few of them, single cabs. Definitely see these all around here. And there you go, little pink Porsche creeping on the other side of all these other single cab F-150s. Man, they got like a crew out here. All right, we kept walking on around and look at this thing. This is wicked. Holy crap, I got no clue what this is, but that is jacked up. Unlike some actual truck rims too. I usually see these with like the little tires, but like off-road tires, you know. This is ridiculous. Damn, I need to get me one of these. Swung around to the back too, and it's got a train horn on the back. And it's got the light bars too, so you'd think it maybe goes off-road as well, but it's like spotless. And then made our way off of the off-road area. Almost said the grass, but we did that like a minute ago. We got a few nice things right here. Audi R8 Taken GTS S4 Quattro. Very nice. And check out this. What's this color again? Damn, I am blanking on the color today. I'm screwing up with the colors. Usually that's like the one thing I'm good at. I blank on the cars, but like a teal, seafoam green. There you go, that's a good word for it. M4 BMW, very nice. And check the little Honda right there as well. Dang, and now this is something I need. I was just talking about something like this a second ago. One of my neighbors is selling something like this. Cadillac Eldorado. Rolling on out of here as well. So drop a sub so we can get monetized and make unfortunate business decisions with our money that we make. Then we'll cop one of these, big ol' Eldorado. Or maybe something like that, a Cadillac Fleetwood. And continuing on now, we got all the bikes, the Hogs, Brabus, Mercedes, and a McLaren blocked off over there. But check this out. It's been a while since we've seen a Brabus. Mercedes AMG GTS. Damn, check that out. And the McLaren. We'll use the zoom on this one because he's all boxed up over there. But that is sick. Brabus Merc right there, R34 GTR. Damn, and then this thing is ridiculous. Mustang, big tires on the back. It's got twin turbos. Oh, bikes are all rolling out right now. Whole crew's rolling out. Check the BMW right across the way. And then here we go, the big old pickup truck, F-150, rolling on by. 0.5, get the whole thing in the shot, and he's got the cone in the back. And we'll keep the BMWs going with two more over here, M3 and M4. We're checking out all the BMWs. Check out this one too with the aftermarket rims on it, the M3. That is very nice. Spin around, get y'all a better look at the rims. Bang. And just keeping the BMW lineup going. We got two more. A little bit of a split right there with a Porsche SUV and another BMW. This is definitely a BMW meet for sure. Oh, and check out the old one. And there we go. I think we got our winner right here for the thumbnail. 1970s McLaren. Check that out. I didn't even think of when I'd ever see one of these. Unless I went to like a freaking museum or something, but got one out here. That's ridiculous. Look at that. Interior too. You just like squeeze right on in there. The 1975 McLaren Manta Mirage. The trapped out Bentley is back with the aftermarket deep dish rims on the old 2000s Continental. That thing was pretty sweet to see last time. The other one isn't here though, the you know, the long one, the flying spur. You got the Rari California right there, red interior with the top drop. Got to show off that interior, that's for sure. And spinning on around, we got another Ferrari California with another red interior with little Shelby Cobra right there and red Ford GT. We're a little bit in the circle. Hopefully we don't get hit by a car. I don't think we will though. Everyone's going 3 miles an hour. And if so, we'll get a nice little insurance bonus. Honda Beat right here. Check out this little feller. And there's the McLaren. This is the one that was blocked up over there. If y'all remember a few seconds ago, someone over there is hitting the funny horn. I can hear it. There we go. A little bit of McLaren action out here. Pretty sweet 720S with a lot of stuff going on. Clean. Got a very nice 911 GT3 RS, one of the new gen ones right there. Very cool. Those are always great to see because they're absolutely wicked supercars. And you got the Turbski S right next to it with the Cannonball Run livery. We can cross the street. No one's coming yet. Got another 718 Spider RS right there, this time in silver. That is a great spec. Silver rims too with the red interior and the red calipers. That is actually really clean. Check that out. Got another 911 Turbo S right there in blue. Got a little something in pink right there. Another Porsche 718. Got the 928 and a Cayman. Is that what this is? Little Porsche Cayman, or is it a Boxster? I don't even know. I can't really tell. Cayman. It is a Cayman. All right, 718 Cayman GTS. I thought I had that right. Tricking myself up. That's what we like to do out here. Oh, and we got another Ferrari rolling on by. Behind the Jeep Rubicon. Drove a few of those in my days. There we go. Matte Black Ferrari 488. Heading on out right now. And we got another Ferrari rolling on out, this time being the red F8. We're gonna hop up on the sidewalk real quick. And we still kept recording it while also not tripping over the curb. Oh, good noise from the vet. And a wheelie from the Surron. And there we go, now it's pulls time. Main on over, gonna set up camp over there on the side. Hopefully see some cool stuff head on out as well. And there we go, base camp has been established. Got a GTO heading on by. And so that'll be it for this video. Ran out of polls, all the cars headed on out, but hey, got some pretty good content. Hope you all did enjoy this video. If so, drop a sub. We'll be back next month. We also got a bunch of more car meets and other stuff coming on soon. So yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.